after we're done with the call, so you can take a, you can speak to the rest of the team and let us know which of the two directions you want us to go ahead with, and that will be the
Sure.
design.
And I'm also recording this call.
Yeah. So in both the options, the colors are fairly similar. They're taken from the GPL Capital logo color. In this option, in both the options, you'll see the same structure.
Nirali, your screen is white.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell. I thought it was my network problem.
Oh, okay. One second. Okay. Is this now? Can you see? Hello?
Yeah. Now it is visible.
Okay. Okay. So first option, as you scroll, the
Not yet. 1 second. Not yet. No.
Sorry, I am. It is visible to me now.
Click on my name, Ruchi.
Sorry?
Click on my name.
I'm doing that. You're
Or maybe my name would have come up again as presentation, like presenter. Hello?
okay. Now I think I've logged on for my phone. Okay.
Okay, you can see?
Yeah. Yeah. I can. Yeah.
Okay. So first option, you'll see the headline up front because you read from left to right. Of course, you have the logo, the navigation, the secondary navigation, which is on the top. In this option, so if you recall, we had discussed that we don't want to keep this, we don't want to add too many images on the website because of loading time and also just having relevant images. So in both the options, we kept the use of images fairly minimal. So in this option, whenever you have promos, offers, anything that you would like to put on the banner, you will always have the option to have one large featured offer, which will have the image, but the other two will be mainly text, like so an impactful headline and a call to action. And this will be flexible. So if it's only two, so there'll be one large, and the second one will be the width of this banner. If it's three, this will be the size. And if there's one, then it'll only be this image on the right hand side and it'll be the headline. As we scroll down, we have right type for every investor. You hover on it. This will be the hover style. You click on it and you're taken to the page for experts or any individual investor profile. As you scroll down, this is the look for your news section. And of course, you wanted a highlight for IPO. So any highlight you want, you can change the content, but this would be the highlight. The graphic can change. Whatever you see here, like the two arrows, these are all placeholder. But if it works, it works. If you want us to change it, we can change it. We've given you a placeholder to put up any GPL or information. Of course, this text right now is complete placeholder, but this is the place for you to push any announcements, notifications, any news information that you want to give out as GPL Capital for your current customers. As you scroll down, we get into the about section, achieve your financial
Sorry,
well-being.
Nirali, 1 sec. Just go. Can you go back on this?
I can't hear anyone, by the way.
Go ahead, Ruchi.
Yeah, I didn't understand. What are you saying? What do we do in the placeholder? I mean, what comes in there? Give me an example.
This information here on the right hand side, which is the news, we're giving you a
No,
place to put a
left.
headline. Left,
Oh,
this is the place.
there. I thought. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Hello. No. So this is an image or like what are these? What are these things about apply for IPO? What is that?
These
That
are
always
graphics.
goes.
Yeah, these are graphics that go with the headline of apply for IPO, but these are placeholder right now. We can either put an image or it can be a simple solid plain blue background box with a focus on the text. Or we can change the graphic.
So don't give too many options here because too many changes, then someone will. I don't want someone forgetting to do it.
Okay, fine. Then we'll give you a.
So you suggest what is to be done and let it be. Keep
let
only one option. Yeah.
Fine. Let it be the same. Then as we scroll down, this is where we get into the product, services, and tech. Achieve your financial well-being with GPL Capital. Headline. So again, so we're just introducing all of the products. You hover on it, you click on it, and you go to the particular product information, services, and technology. Then we go into the risk profile where you click on this button, you're taken to that quiz. That's the questions that we're asking the users. Then there's about.
You have to change that text of the number of this.
Yeah. So right now, these design options don't have the final content. We just wanted to get the design.
Okay.
Yeah. As we scroll down, this is about the credibility of GPL Capital. Again, this image that you see on the right hand side is a placeholder. It will change. There will be one single image that conveys each of these points that we finally decide to put. So value-based planning and advice, tech-enabled, simplified and transparent research and expert insights. As you scroll, Ruchi, the transition that we are envisioning is that the user need not click on these individual things, but as they keep scrolling down, the page itself will scroll on one point after the other. So we're minimizing the clicks. Then you have the headline for GPL recommendations. Here, Ruchi, I wanted to know, would you have recommendations for each of these things or only some of them?
We can have for quite all of them. So we'll just get back to you on this. Actually, we could. That's a good idea. Actually, we can have it.
Okay, fine. So just let us know.
Can we have an option to hide also?
Yeah, if you tell us you want us to hide it, we can give you that option.
Yeah, I think we want it. No, Norman, better to have that option, no?
I think, it should be actually, it should be scroll down. I mean, only one at a time. Because then what happens, if everything is visible, then people will tend to click on everything to get something or the other. And if
no, Norman, that's not what Ruchi was asking. We want users to click. So we want users to see what the recommendations are for mutual fund and equity and all of that. Of course, you can click.
That's right. But suppose we don't have any recommendations, then
we hide it.
If you don't have any recommendations for currency, you can hide currency.
So that way. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Also, one more question in this section though. So all these points, we are showing only 5 stocks over here. For let's say we are showing 5 for mutual funds. Are we gonna have a separate page where we are listing all the recommendations for mutual funds, equity like that?
That will
or
be
is
on
it
the
just gonna be top 5?
Tanuja, I had already told you.
Yes, of course.
That will be on the mutual fund page.
So, Ruchi, I've seen that only on the mutual funds that we have recommendation, but not on equity and insurance.
Yeah,
so,
because we never had that option for equity, no? So we can do that for equity also then.
Okay. All right then.
Yeah. So Ruchi, you just need to get back to us on which of the products you want us to give recommendations.
Okay.
Yeah. As we scroll down, place for testimonials. Now testimonials, you just need to let us know, Ruchi, will you be able to get a photo or will it only be the name?
So can we do like, so photo, everyone may not be very comfortable. Maybe you can do like a icon or avatar or something. I don't know.
We can think of an avatar. Okay.
Yeah, something else, whatever.
Yeah. Then as you scroll down, again, the section, once you come to this section, the left side will become fixed and the right side will scroll up. Users can choose between blogs, web TV, webinar, podcasts, or you can click on view all and go to the knowledge center. But this would be the latest. The latest will always appear on the home page. As you scroll down, then we have the attention. This was, I think, one of the requirements that Mohan had said, that we need a strip for attention to investors. So any, like, again, announcements that you'd like to make. Looking for help, you can have the chat widget will be here, or we can give an icon for message on WhatsApp, and then we have our footer. And then what will be standard on at the bottom of every page is the ticker.
Yeah, listen, you've changed our logo.
Yeah, so I was going to ask you, we haven't changed the logo. We wanted to ask you for a white version of the logo if you have one.
No, so it's a black and white. Okay, I'll try and see if I can get that. You have to make a line in the middle because that
Yeah,
is the...
just send us that open file. Right now we've just put it there so we can ask you for the actual logo.
Okay, okay. Yeah, okay.
So this was option
Yeah.
1. The second option, again, the structure is the same. It's just the look has changed.
And these images are not final, right? Because these are
Not
not
at all.
relevant to...
Not
Yeah,
at
okay,
all.
okay.
Because ultimately we don't even know what offer and promotion we'll be going live with, right? So you need to tell
Yeah,
us
yeah.
that.
Okay.
So again, you can come back to us and tell me, like, if, for example, this is the option you prefer, you can tell me, like, listen, we're not going to have images. Let's not put images at all. So then we'll give it without any images.
Yeah, we'll get back to you because we'll show this internally and then get back to you on that. That's not
Yeah. Okay. So as you scroll down, then you have, again, the right type of every investor. You hover, click, you go to that particular page. You scroll down, GEPL Capital News, apply for IPO. There's a different version for achieve like the product, services, and technology, or you can, again, there's no click, but as you scroll down, the user will go from products to services to technology as you scroll down, and you click on any of these icons and they'll go to the relevant pages. Then the banner for risk profile, as you scroll down, again, about GEPL Capital, then the recommendations, testimonials, and the knowledge center. Yeah, so these are 2 different looks. And here, okay, in this looking for help, we were thinking to make it, bring in the human element by having a photo of a person, and you can tell us whether you want to do male, female, only male, that you come back to us with. And then we'll have to just look for a stock photo.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. So
yeah,
these
okay,
are the...
so I'm just going to stop the recording because I want to give feedback on what I like and I don't want to make it biased on that.